This is the old truck. Kind of got the fender stuck back on there. A couple bolts holding it on. Nice day. Got the wheel wells painted. Gonna get them back on here. Get the grill. Got the bracket welded back on the support, and I'm putting the fenders on. It's done pretty good, pretty nice fit. Had to bend a little bit, hammer a little bit. But the wheel well back in. Got the two fenders on. These two sets of fenders are straight. Still have some paint comes off. That'll probably pop right off of there with some sanding. Good fit. This fender's got 3 bolts on the inside. Hold it on. One in there. You got these around here. And got these here on the wheel well. 4 of them. This morning we're going to do a little cleaning up on this metal that we took a chemical to get the paint off. You can see here where we have paint. We need to get that off, and it should come right off. Just, it looks like a scouring pad. Picked that up at O'Reilly's. So. Well, I got this piece all, I guess you could say, sanded down. A little metal primer on it. The fender's taken shape now. Got about the 3rd layer of putty on there, getting it pretty smooth. Got those 2 dings on the door. Not going to do too much to this. This is got a lot of layers of paint on it. Going to put some primer on the fender, the bare metal. Got that part of the door, a couple small things back there. But you can see it's got a lot of cracking in the paint. And we've got, well, you can see a brown, we got a red primer, we got a green, we got another primer, we got a brown, and we got a green on top of it. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 coats of paint on this thing. So, and we've got a lot of cracking paint. So we're just going to get a little bit of it done and primer what we need to. As we made some progress on the truck, the old truck. We got the front end all back on, bolted on. Got all these fenders, all the metal sealed up under a white primer, white metal primer. Spots on the doors, got it all sanded down. Fixed a lot of stuff. Little cracks in the hose where the body goes together, in the gutter. Sand at the top. Got the door sanded, bed sanded. It's not going to be perfect, but we got a lot of things off of it. I got that all, the bed, the bottom of the bed is all been wired brush, heavy duty wire brush, and a layer of Rustola primer down in there. I don't know what we're going to do with that. Got the truck setting down about level, about like it should have been. Somebody put a bunch of extra leaf springs in it. Didn't really fit, so got them out of there. That sits and it's going to ride smoother.